Hey, Number Ninjas. I just wanted to give you a quick math lesson because you've been working with a lot of tens every day in our daily math, and you guys have been doing a really good job. But as you know, we've been working on just adding a lot of tens together. So we've been doing 20 plus 10 and 30 plus 20. Um, so the reason we do that is because now we're going to start adding bigger numbers together. And what we're going to do is we're going to kind of do a trick so that we can get quicker at adding these numbers in our head. So when I look at the number, I have this problem up here on this board, and it says 14 plus 13. Well, a trick way to think about 14 is it's actually 10 and 4, right? And then 13 is actually 10 and 3. Now I'm actually even going to change how I just wrote the 4 and the 3. I'm going to turn 4 into dots and my 3 into dots because they're not a 10 yet. Now, if I wanted to know what 14 and 13 were when I put them together, look, I can now add this so easy in my head. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Isn't that awesome? So by adding the tens up first, then you can quickly add the ones and you get the answer of 14 plus 13. So let's try another one. Let's try one with some bigger numbers. Here's 13 plus 24. So my parts are 13 and 24, and I want to put them together. Okay, well, I know 13 is a 10 and 3 ones. And I know 24 is 2 tens and 4 ones. Now again, look how easy this is. Let's add up our tens. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically what I've done is I've changed these two parts into 30 plus 7. And that equals 37. So it's kind of neat, and it helps you when you need to add numbers quickly in your head. It helps you add the tens first and then the ones, and then you put them together. And nobody ever taught me this when I was growing up. So I always had a really hard time adding big numbers in my head. But it's funny, Mr. McGee, who works with numbers all day long, this is how he naturally adds numbers quickly. So let's try one more. And then your classwork today has to do with this, and you can always refer back to this video if you need help. So we'll try one with a little bit bigger numbers. Let's kind of branch out and see what we can do here. I'm going to say 26 plus 52. So these are really big parts that we're putting together, 26 and 52, and we want to put those together to see what they equal. So just like always, we're going to draw out our numbers. So I know that 26 is 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know that 52 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 52. Okay, so now I need to find my answer. So first, I'm going to count up my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now I'm going to count my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 70 plus 8. And what does that equal? 78. And now you found your whole. So you can try these at home. You can have mom or dad or any grown up, older brother or sister, write down some numbers for you. And we're going to continue practicing adding these big numbers. All right. So I'm proud of you. I wish we were doing this in the classroom, but we aren't. We're doing it at home. But you know, there's no place like home. And I miss you.